Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to hop on here real quick and I wanted to show you my review on the Kat Von D. This is the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. I bought this a couple days ago, and when I was getting my taxes done out of all the places, I went on TikTok real quick, and the first video, it was a makeup lover that said that this foundation balm was sold out, and I'm like, what? So what are you talking about? I always buy Kat Von D products. If you guys subscribe to my channel, you will see that I use her products a lot. So when I went to Ulta the other day, I literally just, walked through the aisle, and I always go by her selection. And this was one of the products that was new. I liked the whole setup. I saw the cool apple, and I like the packaging, that it wasn't like the makeup, the product just wasn't focused on the packaging. There's good product in here. And really, I am a lover of Kat Von D products. So I wanted to try real quick. This is going to be the first time that I'm actually using it. So I have this on my face right now. And guys, just watch what happens when I put this on. I hope you guys like this and stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just wanted to say I love Kat Von D products so much. If you have subscribed to my channel, you know that I use a lot of her products in my video. I totally love her Lock-It foundation, and about 2 months ago in January I did an eyeshadow palette review, a nice look with her Lolita palette. So I'm always such a big fan of Kat Von D's makeup. So before I realized that this was actually sold out, I did go a couple days ago, and every single time when I go to Ulta, I always pass her aisle, and I always check to see what she has, what's different and everything. And of course, this was the big thing that was happening. And number one, I just loved the advertising. I saw the apple, and then I saw the cute packaging, which for some reason this outing, it just looks like a storybook. So I don't know, I was intrigued by this. I really like this, so we're gonna try it out. Okay, I hear that they're sold out already, but I'm glad to get my hands on this. So the shade that I'm going to be using today is Light 018. And just to show you guys, so Light 018, it's the color's Light 018 for light skin with cool undertones. Now they have I think 40 shades. So when I went there, it's a little weird because, again, due to COVID, you can't test the colors, you can't put them on your skin. So I felt 018 was a good choice for my skin tone, but really it was such a big selection, so I got a little overwhelmed. And again, everything was in stock. Nobody was there to pick up this foundation balm, so I was really happy that I was able to grab it. Okay, so the perks of this foundation balm and the highlights on Sephora, it says that it's full coverage, it has a matte finish, it's vegan, which I already told you. The packaging is recyclable, and long wearing and hydrating. Now, if you guys, again, have subscribed to my channel, you know that I have combination skin, so it tends to get oily over here. So I'm not going to put that much product here, but I do have imperfections here. Also, I have dryness over here. So before I went in and recorded the video, I just put a moisturizer on my face and lip balm, and we're going to test this out. Alright guys, so let's see. Open the package. So again, there's nothing special about the packaging. There's no mirror, okay? There's no sponge in the back. It's just as soon as you're finished with this, you could toss it and it's going to be recyclable. Alright, so let me see. I'm going to just put my finger, I'm going to dab my finger, and right off the bat, you see it's a nice creamy texture. It doesn't even, it feels like a balm. I guess because I've been using powder foundation, this is just so different. So, alright, so this side of the face, I'm going to be using a beauty sponge, and I'm going to just pat this a couple times. Okay, look, there's a lot of product on here. Okay, let's see how this goes. Wow. Oh, that's full coverage. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna tap. Wow. Wow. Guys, this covered up my redness in like seconds. Look at this. You know, honestly, I don't even think that I need concealer underneath my eyes. Okay, look, compare. Compare. And this does not feel, it does not feel greasy. It feels like I literally have nothing on. Yeah, so, guys, I don't think I'm going to put it on a concealer. Look how this just covers up my circles underneath my eyes. And if you want to take a look closer, so I don't see any dryness. Oh, this looks beautiful. Beautiful. And it's actually the perfect color for me. All right, great. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do half of my chin. Okay, so can you guys see? So I told you that I'm doing half of my chin. So from here to here, I have the coverage, the foundation on, and from here to here I don't. So look, beautiful. And it feels like I have nothing on my face. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. I love this. Guys, really, this is great. Let's see. No, perfect. I thought I saw something weird, but I didn't. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go in with, this is the Sigma Flat Kabuki. This is the foundation brush. So I'm going to go in with this specific brush, and I'm going to do the left side of my face. Now, again, I'm actually going to go up close, and I want you to see the little red marks I have. So I'm actually starting to get a pimple over here on my nose. And then I'm actually going to test out on my forehead, the full forehead, because I did have a pimple here and I have redness here. Okay, so here we go with the Kabuki brush. Okay, I'm going to tap. Tap. All right, let's see. Ooh. Guys, I think this looks, wow. Oh my goodness. I actually like the way how it looks with the brush. Okay, look, did you just see I had those redness, the spots, and it covered up so quick. And guys, also with the brush, I feel like you can get more foundation on it. I feel like the sponge like soaked up that foundation balm. Because if you notice, I had a pat a couple times in the package when I was using the beauty sponge. So it says that if you have, you know, for trouble spots, you can actually tap your finger in it and it will, I'm going to cover like the imperfections. So let's go back to our chin. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Honestly, guys, it does not feel like I have any product on my skin whatsoever. It looks flawless. It looks really flawless, guys. All right, let me do one more dab underneath my eyes. Look at that. I don't even need concealer. Kat Von D, you are amazing. You really are. I have always loved your products. I hope she sees this. I've always loved her products so much. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I don't know why I have been getting breakouts so much on my forehead for this past week. No clue. Like, I haven't been using anything different, so it's weird. If you notice, I had that pimple right here. You could see, like, I don't want to say the redness, but you could just tell that I had a pimple there. So I'm going to go over that with my finger. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, unbelievable. I don't even know what to say. I do not know what to say. All right, so let me go over, like what they say to just go over, dab your finger in the foundation balm, and you can go over spots that are troubling you. So let me see, I'm going to go over, I have a little scab here. I don't know if that's really going to, let's see. Okay, yes it did. I just don't want to like fool around with this because I don't want the scab coming off. So you guys can see here. Let me put some underneath my eyes real quick. Look at that. Look, you don't even need a concealer. Dab it. Perfect. Beautiful. Guys, oh, in my videos I usually have pros and cons, but I cannot find anything wrong with this. You know, one would say, oh, it doesn't have a mirror in it, but again, guys, I do my makeup at home, in the bathroom, or in a car with a mirror, so I don't really use mirrors that much. Okay, so number one, I did a good job at picking out the right color. So this is how it looks. Do a little close-up. I really think this is a beautiful finish. Wonderful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this with the Farsali. This is the Rose Gold Skin Mist. I'm not going to put any powder on it. I just want to set it like this because I actually don't think it needs anything. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I just wanted to put my hair back and I just really wanted to do a close-up and show you how wonderful this makeup looks on my skin. Okay, so we're going to start here. Again, I don't see any redness. I don't see any splotchiness. No concealer underneath my eyes because I didn't need it. It covers my pores by my nose. And again, I had pimples on my forehead and look how clear it looks. Definitely worth the $38. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is how the finished product looks. All I did was I put that Farsali Gold Mist on it and I let it sit for 5 minutes because I really wanted to see, you know, I was talking and I wanted to see if anything went into my lines or anything. And I have to say, guys, no concealer whatsoever. I didn't put any powder on my face because I feel like it's not oily. Really, I really wanted to see how it truly looked on my face. I have to say, unbelievable. I came here like, what, 20 minutes ago before I took this and I had a pimple here. I have that redness here. Within one dab, guys, it went away. I cannot say anything bad about this product whatsoever. So guys, there are no cons whatsoever for this. I really think this is like the best foundation. right now, honestly. Wow, I cannot believe this. It went on very, very smoothly. You didn't have to waste time. If you saw that with the foundation brush, I found that it was better to put on because you got more product in it. With the Beauty Blender, you guys saw that I had to keep dabbing it in a couple of times. Oh my goodness. Very, very nice. It's not caking up because I usually always have problems where I have dryness over here. So it did not cake that up. And I'm wondering, because I watched another YouTube video, like if you have tattoos and you need to cover those tattoos up for a specific day, I can probably guarantee you that this stuff is going to cover them up. This looks wonderful, beautiful. So guys, I highly recommend, even though the packaging, I told you, it's just simple, but again, who cares? You're done with this, which I'm probably gonna be done with this in like a month. Toss it out and you don't have to worry about you know, not being recycled and everything. Because again, this is great. This is great that she focused on the product more than the packaging. And even though like this could have been a plain little package, but she made that very, very nice design, which she stood true to who she is. So I think that's wonderful. I really, really, really like this, guys. When it comes back in stock, definitely get this. My shade was 018. It was light for cool undertones. Guys, I highly recommend this. So if you guys liked watching this video, hit that subscribe button and like this, give a thumbs up. And I hope you guys are doing great. It's been a very positive week for me, and just ending this Friday on this note on how wonderful this foundation balm was. Literally, I had no idea this was that great. I had it in my Ulta bag. I did not even use it this week, and then I see that it's sold out. I went on a TikTok and I saw it was sold out. I'm like, oh my goodness. So I literally had this in my house for a week. But now I know what I'm going to be wearing. So again, beautiful coverage. Beautiful. Such a lovely foundation balm. Thank you, Kat Von D. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Like this video. I hope you guys can get this. And keep smiling. Stay positive. Mwah. Bye, everyone.